The Center for Clinical Simulation brings to fruition a dream that the faculty here had for our students, and that was to really be able to educate them in a new dynamic learning environment.
Clinical simulation has really become the best practice for creating real-life situations in a controlled learning environment using a lot of high tech so that clinicians, nurses, physicians, and others can be better prepared to respond in real-life situations.
The big advantage from the instructors, we can really see what they're doing in the room now. We tape what's going on, we can go back and replay it later, look at what happened, and I really emphasize for the students this is meant to be a learning experience, a non-threatening experience, that you really get the opportunity to make mistakes here in a realistic setting. Then they see the mistakes that they've made and they won't make them when they get out into the real setting.
When you're in these critical situations, you don't have any time to plan stuff out and to, step by step lay out everything you're going to do. You have to think on your feet. And I think that's what's going to set us apart from other nurses across the nation, because we're going to be ready when it comes to critical situations like these.
A lot of times what happens is you have technology, things are happening and they happen very fast in a hospital setting. You want to still focus on the patient in the bed or the family in the room, and I think that will allow these practitioners to do that.
For us, what this means is a tremendous opportunity to partner not only with Marquette in the education space as we educate new healthcare professionals to take advantage of new products, and we can design them in such a way that our new nursing students can use them, but also then to partner with an organization like Wheaton Franciscan, which is delivering care today in the community. So it's both of those things, and then for us, what we can learn from both Marquette and the educational community and Wheaton Franciscans that we bring back to our product development teams.
Nursing education is taking a very definitive step forward into a new direction. The educational difference that this facility will make in the lives of our students and all of those lives that they will touch is really quite remarkable.
This will allow us a platform to not only graduate better nurses, but to also develop on an ongoing basis providers that can deliver the highest quality, safest care to our patients, families, and the communities that we serve.
Our healthcare partners expect more of nursing students today, and they expect more of new nurses. So it's our goal to really be sure that Marquette nurses are able to meet that challenge in a much stronger way.